How to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can create a new Gmail account without any phone number verification. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do that, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down a little bit and find out the Google option. Go and tap on Google, and inside this one you'll get to see the Google account that you have signed in, or if you don't have any Google account, you'll get to see the add account option. So I'm going to tap on my Gmail account here, and inside this one you'll get to see all the Gmail account that you have, but you actually have to tap on add another account. And once you tap on this will taking the info for a little bit, and this will get into this interface, and from here go and tap on create account. Now go and select the preferred option. I'm going to select for my personal use, so I'm going to tap on this. Now simply go ahead and give the first name of your Gmail account. And once you've given your first name and last name, go and tap on next, and this will get into the birthday information. Enter your birthday information here. And once you have done that, select your preferred email address. So let's say I'm going to select the first one, for example, or you can select your own Gmail address if you want to create. And I'm going to tap on next, and this will ask you to enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password here, and then simply go and tap on next. And once you do that, this will take a little time, and your Gmail account will be created without any verification. Wait a minute. Now we have successfully created the Gmail account without phone number verification. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.